right, guys. I've been possibly just sitting here talking to myself and not going live. Yeah, that suck. If you guys are in the channel, chat with me. Hold on, let me actually turn this down right quick. Sorry about that. I've been trying to get this streaming service to work. If you guys hear me, go ahead and chat below. Let me know if you can hear me fine, who you are, your city, and your age, and what type of developer you are, so that we could actually see. Yeah, that sucked. That's very misleading right there. And I assumed that I was live, but apparently I got to hit that button right there. So good thing that I actually came in here and just check that out. I'm going to be, looks like it's showing up pretty good too. And yeah, we'll give this a moment, see if somebody show up here. New to the stream, guys. I wasn't expecting to do a longer video, but we'll see how far this goes. Apparently this, until you hit that button, you don't know what you're getting. So we'll see how we go here. Guys, as you come in, let me know how you hear me and if everything's good to go. And actually we'll get started with the stream as you guys come in, so that we can have customized videos based off of what you're needing. So if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Rod, IT guy. I do software development videos that's going to help take your career to the next level, really put you in a position to win. How we're different here, we're going to put it in a way that actually resonate with the average person. Not necessarily overly complicated software advice, something specific to your needs. So I'm going to give enough people time to come in here. I know I originally scheduled this thing for 6. Sorry, I was thinking I was streaming, but apparently I wasn't. So it looks like I do have people in here now, at least 1 or 2 people. So maybe one of these people are actually my video. So definitely want to do that and kind of go from there. And yeah, we'll see what we got. But if I'm looking at my video, it's actually doing pretty good. It's better than I expected. I'm as far as just the video quality. I know my phone do show up a little. Let's do this. Get this out of the way. All right, let's get this out of the way here. How to get that out of the way? That sucks. But guys, as you guys come in, let me know. Looks like I got 1 like. Good deal. Oh man. Rich Ty, how you doing, man? Where you from and what type of developer you want to be, or are you a developer yet? Let me know. How you hear me? Everything's good? Great. Yeah. Are you a subscriber to the channel, Richmond? Rich Tide, man? Let me know what your current situation is, and we'll definitely start actually going from there. So, yeah. It sucks, by the way, with this streaming, because I was actually tinkering around this thing thinking I was streaming for the last 15 minutes, and apparently I wasn't. So bear with me, guys. Yeah. Let's see here, participants. Okay. Great. I can actually see you guys now as you guys come in. This is great. All right. So anyways, as you guys come in, let me know your age, let me know your city, what type of developer you're going to be, and we're going to actually customize some software development topics specifically to your needs, and we want to actually make sure we put you in a position to win. So if you're here to just chat it up, let me know that too. We'll chat it up, whatever topics you guys want to talk about. We're going to talk about back-end development today, just to kind of keep things focused. If we want to go off to something else, we have that option too, especially with a smaller group, and then we'll go from there. I'm just getting started with this live stream stuff, so bear with me, and we'll go from there. So That being said, guys, um, I want to see how many people actually come in here as we do the live stream, and to make sure things are good. So I'm still checking the count here just to kind of make sure everything's going good. This is my first time attempting to do this, and yeah, I'm actually gonna back out of here from my phone just to see if that number actually go down, and yeah, we'll figure out from there. Yeah, so yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, oh yeah, it just went live. So yeah, that sucks. That sucks. You guys actually went to work today? Okay. Harlem, man. Java Spring developers, subscribe, like your videos. Got let go due to COVID. Oh, that sucks. Um, what's your prospects look like? Are you looking to get more jobs, or what's your prospects look like, man? Let me do this so that yeah, this is gonna be better. Let's do this. I want my chat in front of me. Yeah, that suck, Rick, man. We definitely, a lot of my friends, a lot of buddies, the C19, it kind of screwed a lot of people over. So we definitely want to make sure we put you guys in a position so that you can get another job, especially in that New York area. You should be pretty good. How old are you, Rick, if you don't mind me asking? That way we can kind of give you specific advice based off of looking to get back in ASAP. Yeah, Rick, how old are you, man? How it looks like, and how many about 8 months experience? Yeah, and what's your background as far as just self-taught development, all that stuff like that? We'll definitely kind of help you out on that. Any specific questions you got, any roadblocks you've been having, go ahead and drop it in the chat. Yeah, a lot of people are getting hit hard on that. Hard to get junior dev right about now. Seniors are having crazy opportunity. Yeah, that sucks. The good news is you're in Java and you're using Spring Boot Developer. Yeah, you good. You good there. I'm 33. I was the data center industry previous. Oh man, you're set. We just need to. I guarantee you, in your specific position and what you got, you 2 boot camps at Columbia. You're using Java. I guarantee you, this is what's happening to you right now. I don't know how good your resume is and how you're presenting yourself on your resume and how you're going in and execute. I'm more than likely that's probably where we're falling short at, because even with just only 8 months experience in the situation we're in, we can really get you started. I'm pretty sure that's going to be the case. I have a couple of clients already that are struggling to get jobs in this market, and most of the time you either got 3 problems. You either don't have the experience or don't know how to code, or not in the right programming language, which you don't have that problem. Looks like you have previous experience, at least from an IT perspective, so that's not the problem. Most of the time it's going to be that resume. I guarantee you, either your resume is not adequate enough so that you can get job offers, or you are not necessarily going into the interview and really showcasing your value as you should. So what has your experience been in the interview? How many interviews have you had since then, or you just been kind of sitting back? Because a lot of people in your position would try to go back doing more code boot camps and all that stuff, which I'm not going to go against that. But I would definitely recommend you to really pay attention to that resume and to kind of see what jobs you're applying for. At your situation now, I would even go for more of a, not necessarily a senior level development job, just a standard developer. I wouldn't necessarily go for a junior, because 8-month experience, you're right on that line, becoming a standard software developer. So I would definitely gear my resume up for that. Your projects on that resume, how it stand out, it's going to really kind of make a difference, guys. As you guys are coming in, tell me I see your name, but I definitely want to know what city you're from, what type of developer you are. Right now, we're just working with Rick. He's getting information, not a lot of interviews. I'm thinking of pursuing a BS in computer science. Depending on that BS, guys, I like the idea if you can ask. I personally think if you can show me your interview, show me your resume, I'm pretty sure you can get a job. Depending on you're in a really good job market, and I'm pretty sure you're probably applying for jobs that may not be a good fit for you, and kind of go from there. I'm gonna actually do you one solid here. So let me see. All right, we're gonna pretend like we're Rick here, guys, and I'm doing this ad hoc. So bear with me. Let me see. Let's do this. Indeed.com. And I'm Rick here, guys. We're going to actually start doing this for a lot of people, too. And let's see. Well, come on. And let's see. And we're just going to go, just put Java developer, since you got that experience right there. With 8 months experience, what could we do with your current situation? All right. A lot of these companies, guys, being in Harlem, you're going to have a lot of opportunities here. It's really going to come down to the years of experience and what they're needing. What I should have done, let's do this first. Let's get very specific, and depending on what it comes up with, we'll go from there. So junior software consultant, developer, Procom. Right here. It's contract work. Are you interested in any contract? Well, right now you don't have a job, then you can just do any kind of contract work. You interested in any contract work, Rick? Because if so, I would definitely be looking at something like this, especially with your level of experience. You can come in and check this out. Oh, I need to get that. That logo out from in front of my face. But definitely want to look into something like this. And any junior Java developer, they'll be happy to get eight months of experience. Going to put you in a really good position, right? So definitely want to kind of look at that. So yeah, your market got a lot of options here, guys. Yeah, and a lot of reputable companies. What I would do, I guarantee you, a lot of people would actually. I feel like I'm being filtered out for not having a degree. Yeah, I can see that. But this is the key. You'll see stuff like this, bachelor's degree, right? And yeah, a lot of companies, depending on who you are, will try to filter you out based off of that. I'll give you that. But you notice that 12 to 18 months of experience in software development, you're right there on the cuff as far as just that. I think with this specific job right here, if your resume was geared in the right position, you could actually get that job right there. Let's do something else. I like anything less than, let's see here. Yeah. Contract work typically don't lean on degrees as much. I definitely would try that out. Yeah, you got a really good programming language though, Rick. So I see you in a position where you could get some of these good jobs. How many of them you applied to and just didn't get a call back? That's the question, because I'm pretty sure if that's the case, your resume. Guys, this is a very important point. Let me do this right here. Let me put myself back on the screen. I see why live streamers need 3 monitors to really do this effectively. All right, so let's break this down for a little bit, guys. You got 2 things. You got, are you getting any callbacks, any interviews? You got to ask yourself that question. How many interviews have you got, Rick? And then out of that interview, how many callbacks you got as far as just coming back for a second interview or got any offers? And then if you haven't got any offers, then, or how many, if you haven't got any offers, then you got to really kind of look at how do you present yourself in that actual interview. If you're not getting any callbacks, it's definitely a resume. So we need to figure out what you're doing on that, and we can definitely get you guys going. So, guys, as you guys come in, show me your. Let's do this right here. Let's do this right here. Bear with me, guys. This is my first time setting up this live stream, so I gotta. I was thinking 2 monitors is gonna be enough, but 3 really puts everything on the stream where I don't have to actually go here. Let's try this right like this. Let's do this. That sucked. It won't let me pan that like that. What if I do this? Okay. All right. Okay. One thing I would love to be able to do. Okay, I can do that. And then a chat right here, I can see that. I don't necessarily have to do that. And then I can bounce between my talking head like this. All right, so we can do that. We can do that. All right, let's do it like that. Yeah, so I think it's going to be a better thing. So, guys, mainly I just wanted to start this stream up. I'm going to be doing more specific videos just like this, and I'll be grabbing a couple of you guys who's on the live stream. I'm going to probably do a more detailed analysis. I'll be better prepared next time, but definitely want to start doing stuff like this, especially for you developers in Rick's situation. Definitely want to, I would love to have a consult with you, Rick, to kind of see if we could kind of look at your situation prior to you going to get that BA in computer science. I'm pretty confident you can get a job without that BA, but you know, if that's something you want to do before you go into debt or anything, since you already had a job prior, I definitely would like to see your current resume and how everything's set up so that we could do that. I'm gonna probably, I got links below for consultation work. I probably can do one for $49, or in your situation, we'll see if we can get you some good rates in. I'm gonna see if I can set something up, special kind of rates for people who jump on a live stream, or give you some kind of deal there. But everybody else, it's actually really cheap right now. We'll get something for you, and definitely gonna start that process. So what I want to do is kind of come up with some kind of structure to these live stream. I'm all over the place right now, just kind of kicking the tires on it, making sure things are good. And as long as you guys can hear me fine, and I'm still coming in here, create highlight video. All right. One thing I wanted to do here is, I wanted to see how the people actually put like each of the comments on the actual video, or the on the screen. As far as if somebody have a comment or something like that, how do they actually put it on the stream? So I don't know how to do that. I'll probably end up trying to figure that out later. Maybe it's some additional software that does it. I'm not 100% sure, but I appreciate you guys joining the chat with me, and actually staying with me the whole time. So I definitely want to appreciate you guys, and make sure I take care of you, especially if you're struggling to get a job or anything like that. You're definitely up now my target audience, Rick. People I want to help get jobs. I want you to have a testimonial so that you can say, hey, this guy helped me out. Now you are a millionaire, and you can look back on the small people like Rod and donate to my charity or something like that. So you're definitely going to be doing that, and kind of set some up here. So definitely want to do that. So I'll probably be doing more of these in the future. So guys, like, subscribe to the channel, and we will definitely be doing this. If you guys have any other questions, go ahead and put them in the chat before I drop off, so that I can answer any of you guys' questions. But I was gonna let this roll for about a couple of more minutes, and if you guys have any questions, I'll answer them. But if not, we're gonna drop off this chat. So I'm gonna give you guys a few minutes to do that, and if we don't have any additional questions, then we will jump off of the stream. So guys, I appreciate your time. Check out some of my links in the description box. 7-step guide is free, get you guys started. We're going to start doing some heavy mentorship, heavy consultation services, all that stuff like that, to really kind of help you guys reach your goals and really put you in a position to win. So I'll check the chat again. If there's not anything there, I'll see you. Oh, hold on. I'm signing up for a good deal. So we'll definitely do that. I want to make sure I get you guys going, and we're going to be doing more of these. So share this, guys. And I'm definitely one. Rick, you are a perfect use case, man. You're in a great city. You got experience in Java. You're trying to find a job. You just can't get over that first hump. You are the ideal, perfect example for me and the people that I'm looking for. I would love that salary to be up a little higher. But this is a junior Java developer job, so we're definitely going to be doing that. So would love to be able to do that. But guys, like, subscribe to the content. If you have additional questions, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.